Omegaman here, and I want to let you know that character counts when you're a hero. Let's have some fun.
And fun is the name of the game! I'm your host, Chuck Chase, and it's time to play 1, 2, choose! And this is how you play the game. You see the orange box at the top? That's where the question will be, and the answers will be in either A or B. All you have to do is choose the right one. Simple as pie. And here is the question. What is caring? Is it A, seeing someone drop their books in front of you and you ignore them and just walk by? B, displaying kindness or concern for others? If you answered B, you're correct. And here is the question. An example of caring: A, throwing trash on the floor or on the ground instead of the trash can. B, opening the doors for people, especially when you see they have their hands full. If you answered B, you're correct. And here is the question. What is not caring? A, taking care of your classroom. B, walking by a classmate who needs your help and you show no interest or concern. If you answered B, you're correct.
Superheroes increase their powers when they apply the 6 pillars of character to their life every day. Those powers are trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, citizenship.
Hello friends, this is Guardian. And today I want to talk to you about one of the 6 pillar of character traits. And that word is caring. Caring is being kind, helpful and generous to everyone. Caring people are not selfish, they are considerate and always think about how their conduct affects others.
What does it mean to be caring? Are you okay?
Showing concern for the well-being of others.
Let me help you with those lines. I know you're going to get the part in the play.
Using your words and actions to help someone. Giving of yourself without expecting anything in return. What are some words that describe the character trait of caring?
Kindness, thoughtful, sharing, helping, understanding.
I know some words that describe the character trait of uncaring. Let me see. There's unkind, selfish, inconsiderate, unfriendly, and my favorite, mean.
What are some ways we can demonstrate caring? Give to help others in need. For example, collect canned goods for local food pantries, donate gently used clothing and toys, send a card of encouragement to someone who is sick. Show respect to people, property, animals, and the environment. Be kind to everyone and do not exclude others from activities you are doing. Listen to what others have to say. Be helpful in all situations, at school, home and in your community. Why is it important to be caring towards others? 1. To make someone else feel better. 2. Helps us to feel good about ourselves. 3. We learn compassion for others and to look beyond our own needs. 4. may inspire others to be caring too. 5. Makes the world a better place.
There's a pledge I know, and my team and I want to teach it to you. Everyone repeat after me. I pledge to be a kid of character. I will be worthy of trust. I will be respectful and responsible, doing what I must. I will act with fairness. I will show that I care. I will be a good citizen and always do my share.
So remember, heroes, caring is sharing. And with that,